Sophia's passion for cooking. I'm a host, Sophia. Today I'm doing a product review of Elechomes electric pressure cooker. This is the second time I'm reviewing one of their products. This is a brand new product, and if you order it now through Amazon, there is a 40% off early bird discount code in my description box. Before I start, I just want to say a special thanks to you for your continuous support. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please go ahead and subscribe and also hit the bell to see all my uploads immediately. Let's get started.
Elechomes multi-use programmable electric pressure cooker. This is a control panel which has many preset cooking programs. You can choose from bean, chili, soup, cake, yogurt and more for a total of 14 recipes to select from. The LED display shows you the pressure and has buttons to adjust time and pressure. It comes with a user manual and recipe book. This is the condensation collector. Let's open and see what's inside. This is steam release valve. Left is lock and right is venting. This is a sealing ring which can be removed to clean. It comes with a rice paddle, measuring cup, steaming rack, and a pair of silicone mini mitt. It has a large 6-quart stainless steel inner pot. I love cooking with stainless steel because it's one of the best cooking materials. This is the inside. It comes with a glass lid for when you are sauteing.
I'm going to make a delicious cinnamon swirl coffee cake. Let's get started.
Let's start with dry ingredients. In a mixing bowl, sieve 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. If you're using salted butter, then omit salt from this recipe. Sieve them at least twice so that the baking powder and baking soda will mix well into the flour. Set it aside. In another mixing bowl, combine 1/2 cup of brown sugar and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Mix them well and set it aside. You also need 2 cups of buttermilk, 2 eggs, and 1/2 cup of butter. Make sure all these ingredients are at room temperature. Add butter and eggs and beat them well. I'm adding 1 egg at a time. Into that, add 1 cup of sugar. I'm using organic unbleached cane sugar. Blend them well until it becomes nice and fluffy. It should look like this. Add a cup of buttermilk and continue blending. Now add the remaining 1 cup of buttermilk and blend them well. Add flour a little at a time and continue blending them. The batter is ready. Let's start the pressure cooker. Add 1 cup of water into the inner pot. Place the steaming rack inside the pot. Take a baking pan and coat the inside with butter or non-stick cooking spray. Pour 1/2 the batter and spread some brown sugar on the top. Pour in the rest of the batter and cover it with the rest of the brown sugar. Take a chopstick and swirl it around a couple of times to make a nice pattern on the inside. Take aluminum foil and cover the pan so that steam doesn't get inside. Place it in the Elechomes cooker and close the lid. Select the cake program. It's preset to 30 minutes, but I want to cook for 45 minutes, so I'm adjusting the time. That's it. It'll start and stop by itself. So just go and relax. It's very important that the steam valve be in the lock position. Once the pressure has built up, the timer will start. Once it's done, it goes to warming mode. Just turn it off and wait for 10 minutes. Let the pressure settle down by itself. Also unplug the unit from the wall. It's been 10 minutes. Unlock the valve and open the lid. Take the cake pan out carefully and let it stand for 5 minutes. Now it's time for the reveal. This is the first time I've tried baking in a pressure cooker. My goodness, I can't believe my eyes. It looks so perfect. It's so soft and moist, like a sponge.
I'm going to try a piece. Superb.
I really enjoyed using this new Elechomes pressure cooker. It makes cooking for my family so easy and I definitely recommend it.
Thanks for joining. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Check out my other videos. Bye-bye. Don't forget to check the discount code in the description box.